What's good, folks out there in YouTube land? It's your boy Twando, TriggerCityTv, Florida Car 813 The Plugs. And today, man, I got a little special video for y'all. We're gonna do an unboxing on some kicks real quick that I just got in through the mail. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing on this shit real quick. So without further ado, stay tuned. It's about to get lit, boy. Alright, we back. Got the box with me. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's inside, y'all. They say you shouldn't use a box cutter to open up your packages. I don't give a fuck. I don't care, guys. This box comes with it being inside of a box. Got here, y'all. You know what this is? You know what this is? Kids on the outside looking at me. Yes, them. It's them. It's them. Bad boys finally came in. Okay, we got the Jordan Bred ones. I got the Jordan Bred ones, y'all. Smells good, looks good. Why you keep hopping on my videos, homegirl? You good?
I didn't know you.
What you think I'm doing in front of the? What you think I'm doing in front of the phone? It's all good. You in it now. There's a whole reason why I like go to another area because y'all be noisy.
Can I talk to you when you're done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back again. Had to handle some family business with my daughter. So, yeah, this the shoe. That's what it came looking like. Whether they're a rep or actual shoe, I'll let you guys be the guess. The fire, come with the tag on it. Super duper fire. Comes unlaced, has the family on the inside. The other shoe has the laces on them. The other shoe comes with the laces. It's pretty much my review, man. I'm probably going to do another review after a few months of me wearing them. I'm definitely not going to save them. I'm a sneakerhead who actually wears his shoes. The Jordan 1 originally was a banned shoe when Jordan first came out as a player with his signature shoe, and the NBA tried to find him every time they wore it, anytime he wore it. However, at the time when he was getting fined, pretty much Nike was paying the fine, so Jordan had no problem wearing the ones on court because, according to sources, Nike was helping him pay his fines, so he could actually still wear them on court. And we're just getting into a time. We're just getting into a time and day nowadays where you know, the newer generation being born, a lot of these guys didn't get a chance to watch Michael Jordan play ball. You know what I mean? So in a few years, he might be a forgotten about player, you know, but in the same breath, we can't forget about Michael Jordan too much as long as they keep dropping Jordans, you know what I mean? And I think they're going to keep dropping J's, man, all kind of sorts, to keep reminding you who the hell is Michael Jordan, what did he do, and then how did he even get to that point in his career. But it's your boy Twando. That's my video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.